First off, I'm not here to lecture you on the pros and cons of cosmetic threads versus physical modeling. We all should know that physical threads can be a resource hog, but sometimes you just need the real deal. In legacy CAD tools, this was a real chore. Luckily, things have changed, but let's first see the old way of modeling threads. If you're making threads manually, here's a rough game plan. Start with the cylinder, create a helix, then create a sketch of the thread profile on the end of the helix. Finally, sweep a cut using that profile and helix to guide it. Bonus steps include cleanup like chamfers at the start and end, or patterns to create multiple starts. It works, it's robust, but honestly, it's a lot of clicks, a lot of time, and a lot of effort. Let's do it again. Instead, let's use a custom feature in Onshape. I'll use Thread Creator and provide details on how and where to get it in the associated blog. You can see I can access it from my list of custom features, or you can even add it to your shortcut toolbar. Anyway, once you're using it, it's pretty straightforward. Select a standard, to face to thread, then any additional details like pitch, number of starts, thread length, and more. In this case, I'll add 2 starts, then I'll bump it up to 4 while looking at it from the top so you can see the change in more detail. You can see the name for the feature includes the most pertinent details like diameter and starts. For the next one, I'll use a different standard and adjust the pitch to use millimeters, as this is a 10mm diameter cylinder. We'll use it twice more with different standards and holes instead of cylinders, and you get an idea of how much time saving this one custom feature will result in. So stop modeling threads manually, unless absolutely necessary. Use custom features to keep your feature tree lean and your design time fast.